Are you looking for a simple, delicious way to ensure you and your baby are getting essential nutrients each day? Do you struggle with morning sickness or lack of appetite and need an easy way to sneak in vitamins and minerals? Have you considered smoothies as a quick and versatile option during pregnancy but aren't sure where to start? Are you looking for energy boosting, pregnancy friendly recipes to keep you feeling strong and supported throughout each trimester? Do you want to learn which ingredients to include in a smoothie to maximize its nutritional benefits for both you and your growing baby? Then look no further. You are the right place, and this place is called the Coming Mom, a community for golden, doting, and present moms. If you find this video helpful, kindly subscribe and click on the notification bell to get notified anytime we drop a new video. Here are nutrient-packed smoothie ideas for a healthy pregnancy. Pregnancy is a beautiful journey that comes with a new awareness of what you eat, and as every meal contributes to both your well-being and your baby's growth, smoothies can be an ideal way to pack in essential nutrients quickly and easily. With the right ingredients, you can create nutrient-rich smoothies that support your baby's needs, boost energy, and taste great too. Let's dive into what makes a pregnancy smoothie special, what ingredients are must-haves, and a few recipes to inspire your next blend. An inquisitive mom may ask, why are smoothies great during pregnancy? Smoothies are great because they are a wonderful go-to for pregnant women. They are quick and easy, no tedious preparation, just blend and go. Smoothies are gentle on the stomach. If morning sickness is eating hard, smoothies can provide nutrients without overwhelming the stomach. Smoothies are nutrient dense. With the right ingredients, smoothies can offer a great source of vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Plus, you can customize them to fit your taste, preferences, and nutritional needs for each trimester. Before jumping into recipes, let's cover the top nutrients to prioritize in pregnancy smoothies and the best ingredients to get them. Number one top nutrient is folic acid. It is crucial for early brain and spine development. You want your baby to have a good brain, retentive memory, and a good sitting posture when you give birth to them. So you need folic acid, and folic acid are embedded in smoothies. And number one source of folic acid is spinach, avocados, and oranges. 2. Calcium. Calcium supports the development of your baby's bones and teeth. Milk, almonds, and yogurt are a source of calcium. Iron helps in creating more blood to supply oxygen to you and your baby. Iron sources are spinach, pumpkin, some call it ugu, and dried apricots. Another nutrient in smoothies, pregnancy smoothie, is protein. Protein is essential for your baby's growth, especially in the second or third trimester. Sources of protein, Greek yogurt, protein powder, nuts are sources of protein. Another nutrient you can find in pregnancy smoothie is omega-3 fatty acid. It is important for a baby's brain development. We all want smart babies. So sources of omega-3 fatty acid are flax seeds and walnuts. Another nutrient is fiber. Fiber aids digestion and helps to prevent constipation. Sources of fiber are oats, apples, chia seeds, and berries. Another nutrient packed in pregnancy smoothie, is vitamin C. Vitamin C boosts immunity and enhances iron absorption. Sources of vitamin C are oranges, strawberries, and bell peppers. So mamas, pregnant mamas, let's dive into pregnancy smoothie recipes. These recipes are nutrient packed. Recipe number 1, green glow smoothie. Green glow smoothie is a vibrant, refreshing smoothie loaded with folate and iron, perfect for those morning cravings. Ingredients in this smoothie are 1 cup spinach, 1 banana, 1 cup Greek yogurt, half avocado, 1 tablespoon chia seeds, half cup orange juice, a handful of ice cubes. Here is how to prepare it. Place all ingredients in a blender. Blend until smooth and creamy. Pour into a glass and enjoy. Easy peasy. It's that simple. Ensure you give it a try.